In this video, we are going to customize Windows 11 like never before. We will change different parts of Windows interface and give your desktop a fresh and modern look. We will start the Start menu and make it cleaner and more stylish. Then we will customize the taskbar and adjust some useful things to improve the overall appearance. We will also explore more Windows 11 customization options and show you how everything works step by step. Don't worry if you are a new customization, I will keep everything simple and easy to follow. And before we finish, I will show the final result so you can see exactly how your Windows 11 desktop can look after applying these changes. This is what your Windows 11 look like after the end of this video. So let's get started and transform the look of Windows 11 together. At first, let's install WinX, download and install it on your Windows 11 PC. Once the installation is complete, open WinX and we are ready for next customization step. Next, unzip the WinX file. Once it extracted, choose your favorite wallpaper and set it as your desktop background. Now click in the WinX installer, then click Customize Windows 11. Now you can change some mods here. At first, Windows 11 File Explorer installer, copy it and paste in the WinX. Now go to the WinX and paste it here. Now click in the details and give it install. Now go to the install file and see where is the Windows 11 File Explorer installer. Now select all and copy it. Again go to the WinX and go to the advanced. Clear the mod settings and paste it here. And also click the save. And now we will change Windows 11 notification center styler. Again go to the WinX and click on the Explorer and paste it here. Click on details and install it here. And the same process, we'll find the Windows 11 notification center installer and select all and copy it and go to the WinX. And paste it also here. Now you can see here the notification bar also changing here. Now we will change translation to Windows. Also copy it and go to the WinX and click on the Explorer and paste it here. Click the details. Now install it also here. Now we will change our taskbar height and icon size. Also copy it here and again go to the WinX, search for Explorer and search here. Now click on details and install it. Click here accept and install. Also select all here and go to the window and go to the advanced and also paste it here on the board settings and click here the save button. Now we need to change Windows 11 Taskbar styler. Select it and copy it here. Go to the window. Paste here. And click on the details. Now install it. And also click here style. Select all and copy it. Now again go to the window and click here advanced and also paste it here and click on the save. Now we also need Windows 11 setting styler. Copy it. And also paste here. Next click on the install button. Now we need to change our mod settings. And select all, copy it. And paste here. Now let's open the Windows 11 Start menu settings. And quickly see how much the Start menu has changed after the customization. And at last we need to change our Windows 11 Start menu styler. Also select it and copy it here. And go to the window, click on the Explorer. And go to the details. Then click here install. Now we need to change our advanced settings. Select all here and also copy it here. Go to the window again and paste it here in the mod settings. Let's check how much memory the customization is using. Open Task Manager and look at the memory uses to see how much RAM WinX is consuming. And that's it. Your Windows 11 now has a fresh and modern look. I hope you enjoyed this customization and found the steps easy to follow. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.